do we need to think about a specific way of applying, cleaning techniques? Is it combinable with other products?
Yeah, the water softening agent is compatible with all our other products. If you want to use a coating, for example, you apply this one first, leave it for the 20 minutes, and when we are going to use the water to clean, just add the coating, and it's done. No issues around that. It's compatible with all other products. You just need to leave it to work for the 20 minutes before, and then you can mix it with any other product. It's basically independent of the method, so it reacts with the water, and you can use whatever you want: manual brush, water-fed pool, rotative brush, robot, or tractor. It's always used in the same way because it's just water in the end. Soft water, but still just water.
Okay.